Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel spreadsheet to PDF in Power Automate and Logic apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Power Automate dashboard where you can create and manage all your automation workflows. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This option opens up various flow templates and automation options. From the menu that appears, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to manually trigger an automation process whenever you need it, rather than having it run on a schedule. Next, you'll see a trigger selection screen. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set it as your trigger, then click Create. This establishes the foundation of your workflow and allows you to control exactly when the conversion process begins. Now that your flow is set up, click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search bar, type Get File Content and select the OneDrive option from the results. This action retrieves the Excel file you want to convert from your OneDrive storage. In the File field, click the folder icon to browse your OneDrive folders. Navigate through your folders and select the Excel spreadsheet you want to convert to PDF. This tells Power Automate exactly which file to work with during the conversion process. Once you've selected your file, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for Excel to PDF in the search bar. You'll see several options appear, but for this example, we'll use Adobe PDF Services. Click on Convert Excel to PDF under the Adobe PDF Services option. This is a powerful conversion tool that maintains formatting and quality. In the file name field, input the exact file name of your Excel spreadsheet. This ensures the system correctly identifies which file to convert. Then in the File Content field, click the thunder icon to access dynamic content and select file content from the list. This passes the actual Excel file data into the conversion action. Now click the plus icon once more and search for Create File. Select the OneDrive option from the results. This action will save your newly converted PDF file back to your OneDrive account. In the Folder Path field, click the folder icon and select Root or choose any specific folder where you want the PDF saved. Then, input a file name for your PDF file in the designated field. Make sure to include the .pdf extension so the file is properly recognized. Finally, in the File Content field, click the thunder icon again and select File Content from the Dynamic Content menu. This ensures the converted PDF data is properly saved to your OneDrive. You can now save your automation workflow and run it whenever you need to convert an Excel spreadsheet to PDF. The entire process runs automatically once triggered, saving you time and effort. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation that converts Excel files to PDF using Power Automate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.